When it comes to maintaining or upgrading your home in Metairie, one of the most impactful yet often overlooked home improvement projects is door replacement. Whether it's your entry door, patio doors, or interior doors, swapping out old, worn-out doors with new, high-quality ones can make a significant difference. Here are the top benefits of door replacement in Metairie that every homeowner should consider. Improved curb appeal. First impressions matter, and the front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. A dated or worn-out door can detract from the overall aesthetics of your property. By replacing your entry door with a modern, stylish design, you can instantly boost your home's curb appeal. There are a variety of styles, colors, and materials available, so you can find one that complements the architecture of your house and your personal style. Whether you prefer classic wooden doors, sleek metal designs, or energy-efficient options, upgrading your door is a simple yet effective way to enhance your home's exterior. Enhanced energy efficiency. Older doors often have gaps, cracks, or worn weather stripping that can let air in and out. This not only makes your home uncomfortable but can also increase your energy bills. By installing new energy-efficient doors, you can create a better seal, preventing drafts and improving your home's insulation. Modern doors come with advanced technologies, such as multi-pane glass, weather-resistant materials, and better seals, all of which help to maintain a comfortable temperature inside your home year-round. In Metairie's hot summers and mild winters, an energy-efficient door can help you save on heating and cooling costs. Increased security. Your doors are one of the primary lines of defense against intruders. If your current doors are old, warped, or have weakened frames, they may not offer the level of security your home deserves. Replacing your doors with sturdy, high-quality models will improve your home's security. Modern doors often come with stronger materials, reinforced frames, and advanced locking systems that make it harder for intruders to break in. Whether you're concerned about your entry door or patio doors, investing in a secure replacement can provide peace of mind and protect your family and valuables. Better noise reduction. If you live near a busy street or have noisy neighbors, you may find that sound carries easily through your current doors. This can disrupt your peace and quiet, especially if your doors are thin or made of low-quality materials. Replacing your doors with ones that are built for soundproofing can create a more serene environment inside your home. High-quality exterior doors, such as those with solid cores, or energy-efficient models with thicker insulation, can help block out external noise, allowing you to enjoy a quieter, more comfortable living space. Increased home value. Replacing doors in your Metairie home is an excellent investment if you plan to sell in the future. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes with updated features, including modern doors. Whether it's the front door or patio doors, new doors can contribute to the overall value of your home. Not only does a new door improve the look of your property, but it also reassures buyers that they won't have to worry about replacing them anytime soon. Plus, the improved energy efficiency and security features that come with newer doors will be attractive to potential homeowners. Easier maintenance. Older doors can require a lot of maintenance, whether it's repainting, refinishing, or repairing. Over time, they can also develop issues such as sagging, rust, or mildew buildup. Newer doors, particularly those made from fiberglass, steel, or composite materials, are designed to be low maintenance and durable. These doors resist damage from the elements, require little upkeep, and will continue to look great for years to come. With less time spent on maintenance, you can focus on other home improvement projects or simply enjoy your home more. Better functionality. If your current doors are difficult to open, close, or lock, they can quickly become a frustration. Sticking doors, broken handles, or faulty locking mechanisms can make daily life inconvenient and even unsafe. Replacing old doors ensures smoother functionality, providing you with ease of use and better security. Whether it's the entry door, a sliding patio door, or interior doors, new doors will operate seamlessly, adding convenience and safety to your everyday life. Conclusion. Investing in door replacement is an excellent way to upgrade your Metairie home, adding value, style, and comfort. Whether you're focused on boosting curb appeal, improving energy efficiency, or enhancing security, the benefits of a door replacement are undeniable. If you're considering this home improvement project, take the time to explore your options and select doors that suit your needs and preferences. A simple door replacement could be the transformative upgrade your home needs.